Hi all, I am Shankar Prasad Dotto, Head of the Department of Architecture in Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Science and Technology. Welcome to my today's session about Architectural Professional Practice Introduction. Architecture is a profession, not a business. Just like other professionals, doctors, advocates, teachers, etc., we the architects are giving our consultancy services in the field of architecture to our clients, and we are taking fees from our clients for our consultancy services. Architecture is a social art that touches all human beings at all levels of their existence everywhere and every day. This is the only discipline which encompasses the four major fields of human endeavor: humanities, science, arts, and technology. Actually, putting into practice the professional inputs drawn from them. In sum, architecture is the matrix of human civilization. Architecture calls for originality, creativity, conceptualization, and perception. Aesthetic values a holistic judgment of people, places, objects, and events. In one sentence, architecture is the perception of space within a building. Architecture is preliminary, the art and science of designing spaces for serving the multifarious activities of human beings and for meeting their specific needs in a meaningful built environment. When various engineering services are rationally combined with architecture's basic elements of space, structure, and form, the performance of human functions and the operation of mechanical utilities become efficient, pleasant, and fulfilling. Creativity is the essence of architecture, and harmony an essential aim of architects. Architectural design essentially is a product of an individual mind, but realized through association of experts from allied fields who contribute in the process of construction. The practice of architectural profession is regulated by the Council of Architecture. About the Council of Architecture. Council of Architecture, COA, is an autonomous statutory body of Government of India incorporated under the Architects Act 1972. The COA has been charged with the responsibility of enforcing the Act throughout the country, including registration of architects, regulating the architectural profession, and the architectural education at all levels. Architectural education is being imparted in India by above 350 institutions duly recognized by COA. The registered members nominated by the central and state governments, union territories, Institution of Engineers India, institutions of surveyors of India, and members elected to represent the Indian Institute of Architects and heads of institutions imparting architectural educations all are associated in this Council of Architecture Constitution. Office of the Council of Architecture situated at New Delhi. That's all. Thank you all.